Court is calling 2023 CR 7159, State of Texas versus Stevie Ray Stokes. Can our parties announce for the record? For the state?
Right, Savanya.
Defense?
Kelly Piddle.
And are you Stevie Ray Stokes? Counsel, have you received all of the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Stokes, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are proceeding on count 1, abandoning a child, and we are waiving and abandoning the remaining counts.
Any objection?
No objection.
All right, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers of Affidavit and Admonitions with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with abandoning and endangering a child, placing in imminent danger of bodily injury as a second-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand?
Yes.
And on this case, is there an application for deferred adjudication or no?
Just community supervision.
All right, any objection to the court checking the box where there says there's no application for deferred adjudication?
No objection, Judge.
All right, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Stokes, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 1. Punishment is to be assessed at 8 years in the prison. There's no application for deferred adjudication. State recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 8 years and there be no contact with Zilila Washington, Zilliah. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to count 1, how do you plea? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
State Officer Exhibit 1 with attachments.
No objection.
Right, did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. Do y'all have the autopsy?
We do.
All right, I need to see that. Any objection to the state amending the stipulations to include the autopsy?
No.
All right, state, are you offering in evidence the autopsy?
Yeah.
No objection.
Then the autopsy will be included as part of the stipulations. Thank you. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
What would you like to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we ask that you follow the plea bargain. Myself, Mr. Saldana, and Mr. Stokes thoughtfully came to this conclusion of the case, and we ask that you follow it.
How old are you?
24.
Why are you leaving a baby by themselves, unattended?
Well, I just got out here in Texas. She wanted us to come down here and she wanted to see my daughter and my son. So I came out all the way out here. And I didn't have it. I had money, but I had, diapers and wipes and stuff. I didn't have it. I couldn't count on my mom because she works.
No. This thing said that you had a setup in your bathroom where you would play video games.
No.
That's what's in the, am I the only person who read this in the stipulations? That's what's in the stipulations. So I don't understand that. And it says that this child was born premature. And in it, finally, the police get you to admit that you knew you should have checked on the child, but you didn't. So why are you not checking on the child?
I mean, I did check, but when babies are asleep, they sleep. That's what I thought. I raised my daughter Delilah on my own, and
No, it was stated that you were in the bathroom playing video games.
well, that's what they say. Cause I know me, I don't be playing my game. Why would I play my game in the bathroom? I don't.
And then they checked in with the plasma center, and it shows that you were not at the plasma when you said you were. You were not there at 7. You were there at noon. And so you left a premature child by himself, face down in his bassinet.
I don't never face down my children.
Okay.
Always on the back.
Anything else?
Okay.
All right. Court is going to sentence you to 8 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 8 years. I'm following the agreement that the state has reached with your attorney. There's going to be proof of employment. Where are you working now?
No feathers. It's right off the military.
Within 30 days of release from custody.
Here we go, the case of State of Texas versus Stevie Ray Stokes. The judge dives straight into the formalities, but what's coming next will reveal just how serious this charge really is. Stay tuned.
There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. And why was the house so nasty? They said the house was filthy. Sorry, the apartment.
Well, I didn't have a lot of stuff. It's really my baby mama. She had a lot of stuff all over the house. I didn't have.
Well, were you not living there as well?
Yeah.
So why didn't you clean? They said that there was marijuana butts in the house. They said there was an infestation of roaches. So that's what you all brought a premature child to. So why was no one cleaning the apartment? They said there was standing water in the sink. Yeah, I'm asking these questions. So why were you not cleaning?
I mean, I do clean, but I don't clean as much as I'm supposed to.
And then in this report, they said that you didn't have any family here in San Antonio. But now you're saying your mom was here. And halfway through the police report, you say that your mom was here in San Antonio.
Yeah, I always said my mom was here. She was even there when I got locked up.
All right, there's to be no contact with Zelaya Washington, no contact with minors. And obviously you and your girlfriend don't make good parents. So there's to be no contact with her. Let me see if I can, what is Tremaya Washington? That's Tremiah. And is Child Protective Services involved?
They were, Judge. The case has now been closed. It's my understanding that Samaya is with mom. Yes. We have not been able to reach mom.
Oh, I guess, I don't know why CPS would close the case, but I'm not CPS. All right. There's to be regular random UAs Bill visits, one time per month until further notice. 100 hours of community service restitution. There's going to be parenting classes. Probation, is there anything else?
No, Judge.
And there's going to be 180 days Bear County Jail as a condition.
Will the court give him credit for his pretrial incarceration?
No. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement? Because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. And do you need any therapeutic help? Do you need any therapy? Do you need help? Mental health, trauma? All right. Are you sure? Your child died.
Yeah, but it says, you know.
So you're over it.
No, I'm not over. I'm just saying that I had my daughter and she was preemie, and that happened to her. It just, I don't know what happened.
Okay.
Judge, after he's released from the Bear County Jail, can he have his GPS removed?
Just come back and I'll consider it.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
So you want me to come back in 6 months?
Yes. All right. Court is calling 2024 CR 0270 State of Texas versus Daniel Mestus. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Esparza, State of Texas.
For the defense?
Catherine Valenzuela.
And are you Mr. Mestus?
Yeah.
Counsel, have you received all of the discovery?
Yes, Your Honor, I have.
Did you review it with your client?
We have, yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Mestus, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
And did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, I believe there's an amendment.
All right. State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
All right. Off the record for a moment. Adrian, can you take him on the back row? I see that their attorneys talking with their clients there. So if you could just take him on the very back row. All right. We're back on the record. Did you understand that the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family violence as a Class A misdemeanor?
Yes, sir.
Range of punishment is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bear County Jail. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea.
This moment is crucial. The judge explains the charge abandoning or endangering a child. That's a second-degree felony in Texas translation 2 to 20 years behind bars. And it's about to get emotional.
If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, sir.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 1 year in the Bear County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe so.
Mr. Mestus, has anyone, I'm sorry, Mestus?
Yes,
Mestus. Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
yes,
Are you a U.S. citizen?
yes,
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. All right. Are you all applying for deferred adjudication or no?
No, it's probation.
Thank you. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes,
According to the plea, State is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family violence. Punishment is to be assessed at 1 year in the Bear County Jail. State recommends community supervision. They're taking in consideration County Court Cause number 722476. Oh, okay. I see you. Are you aware of this? All right. If you all want to step back and discuss that.
Oh, this is the new one that was just filed. Yes, we were aware of it. I was discussing this with Zachary. And that's why we're not doing anything with that.
Oh, okay. This is just.
Yes.
Oh, no problem. All right. We're back on the record. They're taking in consideration County Court Cause number 722476. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes.
And did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes.
Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Outside the agreement, I'm sorry, counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, there has not.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years and there be no contact with Veronica Medellin. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offense of assault, bodily injury, family violence as a Class A misdemeanor, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
State Officer Exhibit 1 in all cabinets.
Your Honor, my client and I have reviewed States 1. We have no objection.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Waiving Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, my client has been in custody for 4 months on this case. We're asking for, he wants to do probation. He believes he will be successful, and we're asking the court to follow the agreement.
How many children do you have?
11.
11? What are their ages?
34 to 6.
I'm sorry, what?
34 years old to 6.
No, I mean, what are their ages? Yeah, 34.
28, 26, 25.
The autopsy report enters the record a chilling piece of evidence the defense doesn't object, which tells us they already knew what it would confirm the tension in this courtroom. Just went up 10 notches.
15, 13, 10, and I got twins that are 8, and then my little girl, she's 6.
All right, that's 10.
And twins, I got twins that are 10.
Not counting the twins.
So it's one. I think I got confused. I got 2 older daughters, which is 34 and 28,
Okay.
and then my son's is 7.
And how old are you? Are you employed? So how do you support all of these children?
I work.
Doing what?
Remodel housing.
And what with the tattoo?
I got it a long time ago. I got it a long time ago.
Yeah.
It's, yeah. Well, I mean, that's it.
We know, right? All right. This is what the court is going to do. Sentence you to 1 year in the Bear County Jail, suspended and probated for 2 years. affirmative finding of family violence. Taking into consideration County Clerk Cause number 722476, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs. There's to be no contact with Veronica Medellin, and there's to be no contact with Elaine, Elaine Rodriguez. There's to be partial GPS, and that's for work only. There's to be proof of employment within 30 days. And there's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Gang supervision. And if he's not accepted into gang supervision, which he should be, then I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Ms. Abrams, is there anything else? Until further notice. And then it'll be the BIPP course. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I needed a 30-day reset for his other case, and this will be for discovery. It's 2024 CR 007970. All right, we'll come back on October 10th. And then we're off the record. What was the cause number on the plea, please?
0270, 2024 CR 0270.
0270. All right, then I need the other case for 2024 CR 0076. I'm sorry, 7969. Okay. Oh, that's okay. I have 7970 and I have the 0270, which was the plea. That's it. All right, are you all ready on Stephen Ross?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Just have a seat.
Here comes the confrontation. The judge directly asks why the baby was left alone, and watch how Stevie's answers start falling apart. The more he talks, the deeper he digs himself.
All right, court is calling 2023 CR 7508, State of Texas versus Stephen John Rose. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andy West for the state of Texas.
Defense?
Ninfa Carrillo.
And are you Stephen John Rose?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Stephen John Rose who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 7508 for the offense of unlawful possession of metal or body armor by a felon on February 12, 2024 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yeah.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 28th day of.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? State. Any objection to the
No
state
object-
waivers?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, it's to follow the TAP recommendation for status followed by aftercare. In addition, there will be monthly UAs and civil support.
All right. Probation? Is that probation's recommendation?
Yes, Judge.
All right. And this is what you're in agreement with, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Rose, you know yourself better than I do, better than your attorney do, better than probation does. I'm going to give you a choice because it seems that maybe you're not realizing that your life is not more valuable than smoking marijuana, right? And a lot of people say, it's just marijuana. It's just this. In Texas, marijuana is still illegal unless there is a medical reason for you to take it and you have a prescription. So I'm going to give you a choice. I'm finding violation of condition number 2 true. I can follow the agreement. You'll be going to SATF and you're going to wait until they transfer you to SATF. Or if you would like, I will revoke you and I will sentence you to 3 years in the prison.
No, I'll take the Senate.
Okay.
And Judge
Yes.
Sargent wrote,
Then the court will deny the motion, taking consideration 2024 PF 08145, alternate amend conditions to include the following in custody. SATF, followed by aftercare, and there'll be a referral to felony drug court. And there's to be 120 sober support meetings and 120 days upon release. And we're going to do the UA hotline. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else that you need in order to be successful?
I have a question. The Senate, and then what is the drug court?
Well, you're going to be interviewed in felony drug court. If felony drug court accepts you, then that's where you will be going, to felony drug court.
Okay.
Felony drug court is a drug program. It's just intensive.
Because I've done that before. I
And
did
it
that.
didn't stick. So
No.
we're going to make it stick. Here's the thing. You have to realize every time you use, one, it could be the last time you use. And every time you use, you may get caught. And if you get caught by probation, you're looking at 10 years in the prison. This is your chance to get clean and sober. You understand?
Yeah.
So when you think about using, you need to ask yourself, is this worth potentially 10 years in prison? If you think it is, go ahead.
This part right here exposes the environment the judge calls out the filthy apartment marijuana roaches, and even standing water. You can feel her frustration. She's not just sentencing him, she's schooling him.
You need to ask yourself, maybe the chemist who was working on this failed chemistry that day and didn't show up. And maybe they mixed it incorrectly. Is this worth my life? If the answer is yes, and you want to roll the dice, roll the dice. Sort of like Vegas, you're going to lose at some point. You understand?
I got a wife and daughter to take care of. It's not worth it.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
And now the sentence lands 8 years probated, 180 days in county jail parenting classes, and strict supervision. But the judge's real message isn't about punishment, it's about accountability.